Alright, let's see what's on this target. Let's see what's on the pegs. Let's go. Alright, let's see. Looks the same. But we still have to check. Okay, no red rim. Nothing. Let's see. Nope. Anything new? We gotta check this one because sometimes they insert something in between and we gotta make sure it's nothing that we didn't miss. H case. It doesn't look like it's been restocked at all. It's been, yep, see the vein line's still there. Yeah, it's not fresh. Okay, alright, time to go. As I was going through the toy aisle, I was trying to figure out which one of these would be a hot item or anything that would get hype. So far I haven't seen anything or any kids looking for any toys, so maybe Luffy, One Piece? Huh. What's this guy? Oh, magnetic. Anything on the Lego side? I saw a Roxy on the Technica. It's not here anymore. Alright. Alright, let's see what's on this one, on this target. Let's see what's on the pegs. That was weird. Let's see. What's in here? Okay, looks like they made a drop. Let's find out. Yeah, this one looks like it's a fresh pin. Let's check it out. Looks like it's a G case. And I already saw the dud. So let's look for the treasure hunt. So it's a G case. No treasure hunt, just the main line. It's weird not seeing the treasure hunt. Well, oh well, I think it's a jet to go. So we're just gonna leave this thing here and that's it. So this is the sought after for the G case. Alright, time to go.
2,000 years later.
Okay, we got our box from Mattel with the full set. Let's see what's inside. Doesn't look like they even packaged this one correctly. They just put a duct tape and that's it. Let's see, One Piece. Oh, there's two sets. It's a big boy. All right. Give me a sec. Wow, that's a big box. Contains One Piece. All right, we have to open this guy. Okay, so we are finally going to open a factory set 1 for 2026. According to what we know is that if this is a S, this is factory set 1 that has the, can't remember, but I'll publish it somewhere right here. So let's go, without further ado, this is a seal set. So let's go ahead and open it. 979S, one piece. So let's go ahead and open it. So yesterday, the other day it came in, so we're gonna see what's inside. And look at it. And there you have it. Very crisp 2026 Hot Wheels car culture. So let's go ahead and, oops, man, this thing is, let's go ahead and, let me see if I can unbox it. All right, this one has, according to what we have shown, has these inside, including the Chase, Datsun, and the Gasser. Well, if you guys have been following me, we already got the Chase for the Datsun 510. We are missing this Gasser. So it has the Celica, the Ronin, all 5 sets, modern trail climbers, the one we unveiled and we didn't get a Chase. So this is the Chase, which is the Gasser, and then we have all sets for the team transport. So without further ado, so this is 104. So like we said, the 979S has this. So we're getting what's inside here. So let's go ahead, let me go ahead and open it and crack it open. Let's see. Right, let's go ahead and crack it. I wanted a clean opening, but let me see if I can open it cleanly without disturbing it really bad. Okay, let's see if we can open it. So this is our first factory set unboxing. Here we go. So this is my first time getting this. Oh, just hello. Okay. So let's see what's this. I'm gonna open what's inside this guy. Oh, here's my. All right. Let's see what's inside. Are we gonna get something good? First one is the Toyota Celica. So we're gonna keep it as orderly as possible. And there we have it. So we do have a Chase for the Ronin. So let's see what else. So it does follow that there's a Chase, and then we have the Datsun 510. Okay, we have the Nissan Skyline. Let me go ahead and open this. And I want to make sure that I can put this back together. I don't want it just being lying around. I don't want it lying around, so I just want to keep it as steady as possible. So we have the CRX, the Toyota Corolla Sprinter, and Nissan Skyline. Oops. Is that it? Yep, that's it. So I'm going to put this back. We're just going to do a quick opening and see what we have. Based on what we got, we were not lucky enough to get 3 and 4 for for the Aero. I'm not sure if some of you guys have seen, some have been getting the factory set 3 and 4, but we did get a chase for this one. So there's a chase for this factory set as we opened it. All right, let's see what else is here. Let's see if I can put it back as organized as possible. Okay, so we're opening a second box. It's very organized. So this should have the gasser that we haven't got. All right, let's open it. Again, this is the Thrill Climbers. Let's see if I can just make sure I can just pull it up together as cleanly as possible. And there you have it. There's your gasser. The gasser chase for the Thrill Climbers. Cool. Alright, so we've completed our almost impossible feat of getting the gold chase. You got the Mercedes, you got the Subaru. So we have that now. Oh, I forgot. I have to put this in the protector. So I'm going to separate that from the others. And we're gonna still keep on opening this. Let's see that. So I haven't been diligent enough to get this Porsche, but you know, and then so we do have a complete set for this factory set for the Thrill Climbers, including the chase for this Thrill Climbers. So we did get the gasser. So let's go ahead. Let me go ahead and arrange this. All right, so we're gonna set away some of the boxes in here. So we're gonna keep on lifting this and see what else we have. So this one should contain the Team Transport, the Supra, the Impala, and the Ford. So guys, just to open it, I think you guys already know what's inside. So, and that's it. So that's what's inside. I don't want to open it anymore because we already know what's inside. Or maybe we should. You know what? We should open it. Doesn't make sense not to. Since we've opened everything, might as well open the rest of it, right? So let's go ahead and unseal it so that we know what it looks like. There's your Impala. It's very clean, cleanly placed. There's your Supra. And there's your Ford Capri. And this is what is contained on the factory set box. And there you have it. That's what it all has. I mean, this is all what we hunted for. Unfortunately, I wasn't aware that we couldn't get this. If I had known, then I would have just waited for this to come out instead of hunting. And there you have it, folks. Team Transport and the Thrill Climbers. And when we got a gold chase with it. And that's what we currently have for this factory set. So it's 1 of 4. We got the 1 of 4. We were hoping to get the 3 and 4 instead of the 1. But we're gonna settle for this. And at least we got the gasser.